Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about dy over dx. So y square I will put on the left, dx I will put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one that is about y to the power of 3 over 3. This one that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1 that is about s and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 2, y equals to number 2. So we put number 2 going here, here, and here to find the value of c. So c equals to number 2. So I can put number 2 going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.